Greetings and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today I'll show you how to write a separation agreement letter. This letter serves as a formal document outlining the mutual decision of two parties to separate. You will begin the letter by stating your name and address, followed by the date. Next, include the recipient's name and address to ensure clarity on both parties involved. The subject line should clearly state that the letter is a separation agreement letter. Begin the letter with a formal salutation, addressing the recipient by name. After that, write, "This letter serves as a formal agreement between your name and recipient's name regarding our mutual decision to separate, effective date. Both parties agree to part amicably, ensuring that all financial obligations, property division, and other relevant matters are handled fairly and respectfully. Any outstanding responsibilities, including financial settlements or asset distribution, will be managed as per the agreed terms outlined in this document. Both parties acknowledge that this separation is made in good faith, with no ill intent, and agree to uphold the terms stated herein. This agreement represents our mutual understanding and commitment to a smooth transition. By signing below, we confirm our acceptance of the terms and conditions set forth in this letter. Sincerely, your name, your signature, acknowledged and agreed, recipient's name, recipient's signature." Here's our sample separation agreement letter. You'll notice how it clearly outlines the mutual decision to separate, defines responsibilities, and includes important details such as financial obligations, asset distribution, and any agreed-upon terms. By following this format step by step, you can create a clear and professional separation agreement that ensures a smooth and respectful transition. This letter helps both parties establish a formal understanding and avoid future disputes. And with that, I end this video. If you found this writing guide helpful, like it and subscribe for more tips on drafting legal documents.